Finally, we have the first official look at the Galaxy Z Fold 5. The first presumably official Galaxy Z Fold 5 image has been released online today. It looks to be a marketing image for the new foldable device that will be introduced next month. It's hardly unexpected that more major leaks have begun to emerge now that we're just over a month away from the official debut. There have already been many huge Z Fold 5 leaks, including computer-produced renderings that give us a fair understanding of the device's design. This reported marketing image of the new foldable device is consistent with previous leaks, thus this might be our first glimpse at the impending flagship foldable. Miss More Price's image exhibits a design similar to what we've seen in leaked renderings. Among the various design improvements are more polished edges, a sleek camera cutout, and what seems to be a new hinge design that makes the device slimmer and lowers the space between the screens. An S Pen is also seen in the image. It goes without saying that this device, like its predecessor, will support the S Pen. However, the pen will need to be bought separately, since Samsung still does not provide the S Pen with Galaxy Z Fold devices in the box. Everything else, such as the speaker drilling and microphone positions, seems to be in the same spot as the previous model. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 will feature a 7.6-inch foldable display with QHD+ resolution, and a 6.2-inch Full HD+ cover display, according to what is known so far. It will also be powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU. The device is also said to feature a 4,400 mAh battery and 45-watt rapid charging. Samsung has announced an unpacking event for July 27th in South Korea, where it will definitely introduce the Galaxy Z Fold 5 with the Galaxy Z Flip 5. According to sources, the new foldable phones will be on sale on August 11th. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.